Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to let you watch it to see how I styled this young girl's hair using the finest products that you can source from our store at naturesnaturalhair.com. In the meantime, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at naturesnaturalhair. We share useful hair tips, videos, tips and tricks on how you can care for your hair. The products featured in this video again can be sourced from our store, and that is at naturesnaturalhair.com. If you have any questions that you wish to ask us, do leave a comment below in the box. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video here. If you want to share this to someone who you know will benefit from this video, then we are more than happy for you to do so. So again, we're going to leave you to watch this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Take care. We love you always. Bye.
Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make him feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. There's something